So this is the Nepali sekuwa, guys. It's made from buffalo and marinated with so much of masala, and yeah, it's looking like barbecue, but it's fried one. It's fried with oil. Yeah, I ate.
Yeah, okay.
I ate. So far I ate two, guys, and this is the last piece. I can't wait to finish it. It's so tasty. It's so tasty. I just want to give you a review, guys, because it's worth tasting. I thought maybe it won't be that, but I have to make video for you guys. Yeah.
I think this is very nice.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Yeah.
It's very tasty, guys. And don't forget, guys, to try lassi. Lassi, guys. It's so famous here, guys. Yeah, after eating everything you need to make your stomach lazy with lassi. So, oh, this is like normal. It's not that unique because I still remember in the morning I tried one mix lassi in Hassan market, guys. That one was so unique. They mixed with some fruit and it was so delicious, guys. I really love it. That one was 160 rupees. This one is only 80 rupees, guys. It's fine. Yeah, it's not that bad. Street food. Hi. What's your name?
My name is Suji.
Okay, nice to meet you.